today we are going to be trying out a super stir-fry recipe. We're using zucchini, squash, onions, red bell peppers, and ginger. We are getting the maximum health benefits of each one. We're gonna have this with a side of brown rice, which is a whole grain and it's full of fiber, which is great for your blood sugar, great for you to feel full. So first we're going to chop the zucchini. You're gonna chop it into half moons and put that to the side, and then afterwards you're gonna chop the yellow squash. You're gonna chop it the same way, and then the bell pepper, we're going to dice that up as well. And then the onions, we're gonna cut this in half and we're gonna dice it smaller. And then for your ginger, you want to grate it into small pieces so you don't have those big chunks. So for the brown rice, you want to follow the recipes on the back of the bag, but in general, you'll do a 2-to-1 ratio of 2 cups water and 1 cup of rice. So you'll place 1 tablespoon of oil into the pan, and then you'll put your ginger in, and you'll start putting your vegetables. So you want to put the harder vegetables in first, which is the zucchini and the squash and your bell peppers, and let that cook, and then put the quick cooking vegetables last. That way everything is ready at the same time. And then you'll go ahead and put in your soy sauce and stir fry it all around. Yeah, so you want to make sure that you're continuously stir frying, and you'll know when your vegetables are ready is when it's crisp and tender. You don't want it to be too mushy, unless that's your style, but you just want keep it until it's nice and mushy and the color is vibrant. So after 5 to 10 minutes of stir frying your vegetables, they are ready to be plated. So you'll add that on top of your brown rice, along with some protein. That could be some chicken, there could be beans. Go ahead and add that. Now you have a healthy, affordable meal for you and your family to enjoy.